Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the before and the now of how Ikot-Ekpene Road construction is going. So this particular video you are watching now, this section of this video was recorded January 2nd 2025 while I was flying through this road, and then the second section of this video is was recorded today, being February 15th 2025. As you can see, this section has been tarred already, but then you see where the tar stopped at. It didn't get to Pastor Jerry Eze's church and then beyond. But then in the second video I'll be showing you how this area has been tarred. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how work is going in the Ikot-Ekpene Road in Umuahia, the capital of Abia State. So come with me as I take you guys down and show you also how this road is right now. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome as you're watching this video. If you find it interesting, please help me click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So as you can see, all this area, no tar, no tar as we they call them, you understand, hasn't been, you understand. So but I'm going to take you down. I'm going to take you further, so that when I show you the video of today, which I recorded today, being February 15th 2025, this is Pastor Jerry Eze's church, like I said. Then this video, as at the time I made this video, no tar, but now this is the same road. You can see they have poured tar on the road. You can see it has been asphalted, so you can see Pastor JDS's church. You can see his image there. In the previous video there was no tar on this road, but now they have they have poured the tar on this road. So watch down to the end and then tell me what you think in the comment section. Remember, this is Ikot-Ekpene Road, Umuahia. So now you can see the road now looks better. Let's hope that this tar will get down, you understand, so that when you are traveling from Umuahia to Akwa Ibom, the journey will be enjoyable. You can see the heavy duty machines beside the road. Yes, these are the machines that did the work. So guys, watch this video down to the end and then tell me what you think in the comment section. I'm trying to show you how Ikot-Ekpene Road leading to Ahieke, Umudike, Riaudo side. This is how it is February 15th 2025.